Unlock the secret to sky-high search engine rankings for your Blogger site with the powerful Sora SEO template. First things first, download your Sora SEO Blogger template. You'll find the link in the description below. Once downloaded, head over to your Blogger dashboard. Navigate to the theme section here. We'll be replacing your current theme with the Sora SEO template. Before we make any changes, it's crucial to back up your current theme. Click on Backup Restore, and then download full theme. This ensures you can easily revert if needed. Now that your backup is secure, click on Theme again, then find and click Edit HTML. In the HTML editor, you'll see a lot of code. Don't worry, we're not changing it directly. Instead, we'll select all the existing code by pressing Ctrl-A or Command-A on Mac. With all the code selected, press the Delete key to clear it now. Open your downloaded Sora SEO template file. You can usually open this with a simple text editor like Notepad. Copy all the code from the Sora SEO template file by pressing Ctrl-A and then Ctrl-C. Then, come back to your Blogger HTML editor and paste this code by pressing Ctrl-V. Once you've pasted the code, click on the Save icon, which looks like a floppy disk, in the top right corner of the HTML editor. If there are no errors, your new template will be applied successfully. Now, let's configure the essential SEO settings. Go to Settings in your Blogger dashboard. Find Meta Tag Description and enable it in the box below. Write a compelling and keyword-rich description of your blog. This will appear in search results. Next, we'll implement Schema Markup. Scroll down to Custom Robots Headers Tags and enable it. Check all the boxes that say All for both Index Follow and Noindex Follow. This helps search engines understand your content. Still in Settings, find Custom Messages and enable it. Here, you can set up specific messages for search engines, often related to your site's analytics. For the Sora template, ensure the relevant fields are populated as per the template's documentation for optimal performance. Finally, navigate to Pages and then view all pages for each of your blog posts and pages. Edit them. While editing a post, look for any SEO settings specific to the Sora template. You might have options to add specific meta descriptions for individual posts or customize schema data. Ensure these are filled out for each piece of content to maximize your SEO efforts. And that's it. Your Sora SEO Blogger template is now set up, ready to boost your blog's visibility and attract more organic traffic.